How to create Apple ID. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can basically create an Apple ID, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to basically create an Apple ID, it's actually quite very simple to do so. For that, open your browser and go to iCloud.com. I will also make sure to drop a link. Then tap the sign in button that you can find here. Now normally, if you already have an Apple ID account, you can just sign in using those. But if you don't have an account, then at the bottom you'll find an option known as Create Apple ID. So make sure to just tap on it. And as you tap on the Create Apple ID option that you can find here, all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your first name, your last name, the country and region, as well as also the date of birth over here. So go ahead and then enter the date of birth as well as also the year. Then after that, you simply want to make sure to basically enter your email address that you want. Once you enter the email address that you want to create an Apple ID with, make sure that you have access to this email address here. Now once done, all you have to do is simply choose your password, verify with your phone number, tap and continue after you verify the captcha, and your Apple ID will get successfully created. This way you can create an Apple ID on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any question, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.